Hello,
Hi.
welcome to Happy Llama.
Hi, how are you?
I'm Tomas.
Hi, Thomas. Nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you too. We're gonna start off just with your name, your background, your startup, and what it is you're building.
Sure. Hi, my name is Lalit Khandelwal, and I am the Chief Revenue Officer for a company called CriticalRiver. And we are into AI. It's an AI first company, and we are building a lot of digital agents. And our offerings are around Salesforce, around Oracle. Then we have a strong data analytics practice. So we are actually providing outcome-based solutions for our customers using agentic AI solutions.
Amazing. And in a world that is drowning with AI startups, how do you think yours will survive?
Yeah, I think it's all about understanding the pain point, from customers and how the technology, specifically agentic AI, can help customers to solve those problems. So there are agents actually which can be really automated, for any processes. For example, CriticalRiver has a product company called Meru AI, and it has a agentic AI for all the CFO, functions. For example, accounts payable, receivable. So it has the ability to understand, how to automate those processes, and it can literally run 24/7 with accuracy, with speed, without any hallucination now, and it has been proven actually with our existing customers. So we are literally taking those agents, going into the customers. They don't need to have hundreds of people, trying to do the collections or, for example, delinquency. So it is really helping customer to collect money on time, follow up, very effectively, very efficiently. Same thing, we have a agent which we have built on top of CRM, for example, on top of Salesforce. So as a CRO, I want to know what is the probability of the deal, and typically in the normal, they will use their judgment to saying that we are at 60%, 70%. But agentic AI has the ability to integrate, your calendar, Outlook, Teams, your CRM, your minute notes, your proposal, RFP, and come back with the very good assessment, why the probability is not at 70, or it is lower, or it is higher, and it will give you clear action item that these are the things, these are the red alert you need to do to increase your probability. It can be adding some value proposition in your proposal. It can be some of the executives you never met before. But through your LinkedIn, it is identifying that there are 5 decision makers, you have met only 2, 3 people, you need to connect with them. And second is on the ability to take the risk as a partner. Why customers should talk to you? Are you able to take equal risk with them? So all these things really helping those organizations to really leverage AI, and as we are building more and more, it has the ability to orchestrate and talk to multiple agents to each other and deliver the business outcome. So it's getting matured, as we say, but I think the POCs are getting converted into production, and customers are seeing benefit, specifically to achieve those business outcomes.
Sounds like an amazing resource for companies. Congratulations.
Absolutely, yeah. Thank you.
And where do you guys see yourself in 5, 10 years?
Yeah, I think the shift is happening, right? The customers are going to get more bucks and more value, what typically they're getting because of the technologies which is changing in rapid pace, and it's all going to be not input based pricing and commercial. It's all going to be output based, based on the transaction, based on the outcomes which you are able to achieve. And the advantage of this is it's a delta increment. For example, if you are merger and acquisition and you are acquiring new entity, so you don't have to spend enormous amount of time and effort and applications to support that business. It's just delta increment. So the cost is going to be very minimal, but you can achieve the same results what initially it used to take pretty big this thing, dollars and budgets, to make that happen, which I think with AI coming in, it's possible now.
That's amazing.
Yeah. Thank you.
Finally, what does Happy Llama mean to you?
I think it's a good event, and I was quite impressed with some of the people, how they are coming up with the product and how the organizations are changing, how to position their product. And the beauty is that each one of them are catering to very specific problem statement for customer, whether you talk about horizontal or vertical offering. So it's amazing that the end customers have really to see what works for them and how it can fit into their entire ecosystem and still able to meet. It can be supply chain, it can be procurement, or it can be any function. In healthcare, it can be completely clinical trial, how it can help. In automotive, it can be connected cars. So I think there are so many use cases which are available, and the customer is really winning because they are really getting what they really want in terms of improving their productivity and efficiencies. Yeah.
Amazing. Well, thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you.
Enjoy the
It was
rest of
great
the
event.
conference.
Thank you. Thank you.
Take care. Perfect. Thank you so much. The microphone.
And how do I get access to this? It will be on your website.
It'll be on the Happy Llama webpage. Thank you. Hi. Yeah, ready?
Yes.